Hey there, it's Mr. Tush. So we're going to have a conversation about 1.5, the rhetorical appeals, and then 1.6, will come in the next video. So what we're doing now is both in blue cohort last week and in maroon cohort this week, and silver will get it on Thursday. You're getting the rhetorical appeals. Actually, silver, you're getting this as well on video. You go through this. If you missed it in class for any reason whatsoever, you're going to watch this video called 3 Rhetorical Appeals. Right in here, it's about 14 minutes long, and I talk about what the rhetorical appeals are. And then I'm going to want you to read that in your textbook. Now, many of you got an assignment that says sign into your textbook. You should all have had that by now. And that assignment is kind of cool because all it asks you to do is it gives you a code, a long code that I expect you to copy and paste. I don't expect you to hand type it. It's about, to goodness, about 18, 20 characters long. And you're going to go to a link, and I share the link right there with you, where I share you this VitalSource sign-in right here. And that will take you to this website right here. And you're going to have a few things. One of them says redeem. When you click redeem, you're going to click this thing that says redeem, and then that long number that I gave you in that Google Classroom assignment, you copy it, you paste it right in there. That one will work. And that license is out there. And then once you're into it, you'll get the language of composition. That is Launchpad. That is exactly where we've done our thing right here. And when you have that, click the language of composition, and you have a, of course it chose this moment, yes, to stop working. So let's get right in there. There it is. And this happens to be where I'm starting from today. So this is the 3 rhetorical appeals section. Now, what's going to happen is with this assignment, the 3 rhetorical appeals, is you're going to do this exercise right here called 1.5, putting the rhetorical appeals into practice. And this is kind of asking you questions in the middle of what we're working on. So you read this section right here, and whenever you get to one of these pink sections right here, I'm going to ask you to do it, and I'm asking you to do it on this worksheet. So, for example, right here, this is word for word what you have on this activity right here. So I want you to do this activity, and I want you to do it on this worksheet. Does that make sense? And then here, Mother Nature is brought to you by the article from Tim Wu. You go down in here, and that's kind of all what's going on in here. Mother Nature is brought to you by. Over here is the Alice Water Slow Food Nation, which is kind of neat. But Mother Nature is brought to you by is we're asking you to respond to that, so read it carefully. And then I ask you to take a look at the D-Day orders from Eisenhower, and that's right in here. The checker speech is the one that we talked about in class, so we went over that one in class, and in the presentation that's there. Then that should do it for that assignment when it's all done. Click Submit. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.